What's up with you, YouTube? It's your boy Ben 10 back with another one. And this one right here, I'm going to tell you how to take your pad performance and put it on the MIDI keyboard. So if you want to play in key on your keyboard, watch this video right here. So check this out. All you got to do is click MIDI Learn down here at the bottom, go up and hit Learn. So once you do that, click the button that you want to learn. This one, we're going to take all the white keys on the keyboard, right? And we're going to correspond them to all of these 16 pads. Well, if you got a 25 key, it's going to be 15 because you only got 15 whites. So go ahead and do that. I guess I got to concentrate on because I don't want to mess up. So all right, and we should be good now. Let's go back in. Let's test it out. Make sure we. Okay, hold on. Put a note on. So. Yeah. Okay. So we got it right. So we took the 15 keys, we spread them out over the pads, over the 16 pads, but we only got 15 keys, so this G4 is not gonna make it. So that means we're playing from F2 to F4, which is perfect, big, for what we want. It means you can go ahead and play in key on a scale, not worry about getting out of key. But we're not going to hit that G4, which is perfect because we're going in F2 to F4. Now, to change the octave, that's a whole different ball game. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these banks right here correspond to the octaves. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click this off, and you might as well just get all of the banks because different scales have different octaves. So what that means is, say we do this scale right here, it ends on F, we go to a minor and it ends on like a C. So, you know what I'm saying? It's got different octaves. So we might as well just go ahead and get all the octaves and not even play around with it. So we're going to enable, hit learn again. I'm just going to take from the top and start out. I usually go from left to right. I mean, you can go right to left if you want to, but that's the way I'm gonna do it. And these are going on the black keys again, if you didn't catch that. All right, now we got that taken care of. Now, if you see me pushing these buttons and it's not moving as quickly as I'm pushing the buttons, what you need to do is go over here to the tab down here and hit Fix Button. And now when we hit the keys, it's going to go instantly. We ain't got time to waste on trying to get the right octave. When you get that motivation and that inspiration, you don't want to have to wait a couple of seconds for, the software to catch up to what you're thinking. So now we can flip between the octaves very quickly and easily. Now with doing it this way, putting the actual keys on the white keys, with actual notes on the white keys and the pad banks on the black keys, you won't be able to use the pads anymore. So if you want to use the pad, I would use them as for my transpose. So that's what I'm going to do. I use those for my transpose, for my play, stop. I'll go ahead and put these on fixed buttons. Put that on the fixed button too. Now we got everything set up on the actually cut this on. We got everything, all our keys set up on the white keys. Now you can change it to chords or whatever you want to do, but everything gonna be when you want to play art and audition the keys or whatever, it's gonna all be on the white keys. Now your black keys are gonna be your banks, so you can flip between those, and those are gonna be your octaves. So if you want to switch between different octaves or whatever, that's how you do it. Now you can see in this one, like I told you before, different scales have different octaves. So this one right here, it's only got 3 octaves. So now when you go to the drum pad and you want to play your drums, all your drums going to be auditioned on these white keys right here. So if you don't like that, the only thing I can tell you to do is create another preset and set your pads up for that, you know what I'm saying? And you can flip between the 2 presets and have your pads on this one, and then the other preset will have your keys already set up on that one, if you want to do it that way. For me, I just use my keys on the keyboard to play my drums or whatever, because it's easier that way, because I got it set up the way I want to, and I can play when I go to my plugins or my key group. I can just play in key with the scales right here. And so that's just a little tidbit, man. I'm gonna have more videos coming out soon. I know I've been stagnant on the videos or whatever, but I've just been doing different things and working real hard, trying to improve my craft and actually working at my job. You feel me? So yeah, I have some more stuff out for you pretty soon. Have some content for you to look at and actually learn some things. I got some new tricks and tidbits that I've been working on, but they're not 100% foolproof yet. So once they get foolproof, then I'll show you it.